Today we're going to be building a dental clinic AI voice assistant using n8n and VAPI. And today I'm going to walk you through how this works, how you can set it up, and how you can use it for yourself. And later on in this video, we're going to be calling it up on my phone. We're actually going to be testing it out. So to get started, I'm going to show you guys how to actually set this all up, and after I'm going to show you how it works. So first off, you have to go to n8n, and after you go to n8n, you should have a workflow. It should be blank just like this. So what you're going to want to do is join my group. It's the first link in the description down below. And after you join my group, head over to the I built a voice receptionist with VAPI and n8n section, and then download these 4 files right here. And after you downloaded those 4 files, what you can do is go up here in the top right and press these 3 dots, and then press import from file, and then double click the .json file right there, just like so. And now you just skipped all the hard work because we have this n8n workflow right here that you can customize for yourself. And now that we have this workflow, I'm going to show you how to set up all the APIs, and after we're going to head over to VAPI so we can customize this for a dental clinic, and it's going to be very cool. So to start off, we have 3 APIs we have to connect. Well, actually 2. We have the OpenAI chat model API right here. We also have the Google Calendar API right here. So to connect these are actually pretty simple. Head over to platform.openai.com, and then in the left side of your screen, find the billing section. And after you find the billing section, click on add a credit balance, and I highly recommend you add around $5 or so, because every few times we actually call this agent up, it's going to spend around 1 cent. And as you guys see right here, I got $4.66, so barely spend any money. So just added the credit balance right there, and now on the left side of the screen, press API keys. And after you press API keys, go in the top right and press create new secret key. And after you do that, name it whatever you want, and then select a project, and then press create secret key. And after you create that key, do not share it with anyone, because if they actually get a hold of this, they'll be able to spend all your credits, which would not be good at all. But now head back to n8n, double click on the OpenAI chat model API right here, and then click up here and press create new credentials, and then just paste in the API key and press save. And after pressing save, now we're gonna have to set up the Google Calendar, which is actually pretty simple. So just double click on this one right here, and now click right up here and press create new credentials, and then press sign in with Google. And after you sign in with Google, make sure to select the account that you want your Google Maps to be under. And after you press that, select the account you want your Google Calendar to be under. So I'll just select this one, for example, and now press select all right here and press continue. And after you press continue, go down here where it says calendar from list, then select this box and then select your email, which you actually want the events to get booked on. So I'll just select my email right there, and then go over here to check availability and do the exact same thing. So select your account and then select your email from list right here. And now guys, we're basically done with n8n, but right now go on the top right and activate this workflow, because if it's not activated, it will not work at all. And finally, go over here to the webhook, and we're going to come back to this later, but double click on it and press production URL. And now that we did that, head over to VAPI. And now that we're in VAPI, go over here in the top left and click on create assistant. You can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it the dentist, and then select blank template and then press create. And now you're going to want to go to ChatGPT, and after you go to ChatGPT, open up the text file that's called the system prompt, and just copy the whole entire thing and paste it in right here. And I'm just going to say change this to make it for a dentist, but if you guys have like specific things, then you would write right here. So for example, you would write the services, the name of the business, the opening times, all that stuff. But I'm just going to press enter right now. It should give us a prompt back any second. And as you see, it's generating. So we're literally just going to copy and paste this whole entire thing in a second. Now just copy this whole entire thing, and after copying it, head back to VAPI and just paste the system prompt in right here. And now that we pasted that, let's change the first message as well. There's something like, thanks for calling Bright Smile Dental Clinic. This is Amy. How can I help you today? Now that we did that, go on the top right and press publish, and just press next and stuff. And there's just a few more things we have to do to fully set up this VAPI, which is pretty simple. So first off, on the left side of your screen, click on tools right here, and then up here, press create tool, and then select the custom tool. And after you select the custom tool, go back to your downloads, then open the VAPI tool prompts text file. And we're literally just going to be able to copy and paste all this. So don't copy and paste the answer fact yet. You want to scroll down to the bottom where it says record action. So just copy that and then paste it right here. And then for the description, just copy this right here as well, and just paste it in the description. And for the parameters, copy all this right here. And then where it says visual to JSON, click on that, and then press Control A, then Control V, and then press apply. And after you press apply, you can check it off, and then press save. And finally, guys, go back to n8n. Once you're inside of n8n, you should be on the webhook section. Make sure you're selected on production URL and copy the webhook, and then head back to VAPI and paste in the server URL right here, and then press save. Now after pressing save, we're going to create one more tool, and this tool is going to be a query tool. And for the name, you're just going to name it answer FAQ. Just copy and paste that, and then copy and paste the description as well. And now you're going to want to press save. We're going to come back to this in 1 second, but on the top left of your screen, click on search, then search for files. And after you search for files, we're going to want to head back to ChatGPT one more time, and then drag and drop the knowledge base text in here. And I'm just going to say update my knowledge base as well. And it just sent the knowledge base back to us, and it's fully updated. Now I'm just going to say send it back to me as a .txt file, so we can just download it, then upload it. And let me just click on this right here. Let's head back to VAPI and click on upload file on the top right, and then just upload this Bright Smile Dental Clinic knowledge base. And now head back to assistants, and now head back to tools, and then click on add knowledge base, and then the name should be knowledge base right here. And then for the description, just copy this and just paste it in right there, then scroll down to files, and then select the knowledge base you just made, and then press save in the top right. And now we're almost done. Just click on assistants once again, and then click on tools up here and select tools, and select the 2 most recent tools that you just made, and then press press publish in the top right, and then next, and then publish. And just like that, we're about done. But if you guys want to adjust the voice, go to the voice section. Then you can choose any boy voice or a girl voice, but I'm just going to choose this one, the Leah. Make sure to publish it once again. And finally, guys, to get an actual phone number, you're going to want to click on the phone number section right here, then just connect your assistant. Then you should be able to call it up. But I'm not going to show it because I don't want to leak my phone number. But now, guys, open up Google Calendar once again, and I'm going to call the bot up on my phone right now.
Thanks for calling Bite Smile Dental Clinic. This is Amy. How can I help you today? Could you please let me know your preferred date and time for the dental cleaning?
Yeah, sure. Can we do like 2 days from now? And also, my full name is Jerry B.
Could you please provide your phone number and email address to finalize the booking?
Yeah, my phone number is 443-926-1833, and my email is jerrysmith@gmail.com. And guys, if we check my calendar right here, 2 days from now, which is the 10th, it does show dental cleaning, and if we click on it, it shows Jerry B, my phone number, and my email. And just like that, guys, we fully completed this VAPI plus n8n AI voice agent for a dental clinic. And once again, guys, if you want to skip all the hard work, make sure to join my group. It's the first link in the description down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it, hype it, subscribe to the channel, and click this video on the screen right now, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out.